In this tutorial, you'll learn how to download and install the Kiml Wallet app on your Android device directly from the official website. Let's start by opening the Google Chrome browser and tapping the search bar. Type Kiml Wallet into the search bar. You'll see search suggestions appear. Tap Kiml Wallet from the list to search. Google shows the official kimlwallet website at kimlwallet.apk as the first result. Tap on it to open the website. You're now on the official Kiml Wallet website. Scroll down to find the Services section where you can download the app. In the Services section, you'll find the Download APK Android button showing the latest version. Tap it to begin downloading the Kiml Wallet app to your device. Chrome will show a warning that the file might be harmful. This is completely normal for APK files downloaded from outside the Play Store. It comes from an external source, which triggers this warning. Tap Download Anyway to continue. The download begins in the background. To monitor its progress, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Downloads. You can see the kimlwallet APK file downloading here. The file is 329 MB, just wait for it to finish. The download is complete. Tap on the kimlwallet APK file to begin the installation process. Android will begin analyzing the file. You'll see a Staging App Progress dialog as it prepares for installation. A security prompt appears from Chrome. Your phone currently isn't allowed to install apps from unknown sources. This is an Android safety feature. Tap Settings to change this permission. You'll see the Install Unknown Apps settings page for Chrome. The Allow from this source toggle is currently off. Tap it to allow Chrome to install apps on your device. The toggle is now on. Chrome is allowed to install apps from this source. Press the back arrow to return to the Downloads page. Now go back to the Downloads page and tap kimlwallet APK again. Since the permission is now granted, Android asks if you want to install the kimlwallet app. Tap Install to confirm. The kimlwallet app is now installing on your device. This will only take a few seconds. Installation complete. Tap Open to launch Kiml Wallet right away. Kiml Wallet has been successfully installed and is now launching on your device. You're all set to start managing your crypto. Thanks for watching.